First of all, choose your photo. And then, add to Lightroom. Open Lightroom app, and select all photos. Then choose your photo. Then, choose light option, and follow, step by step. Please, subscribe my channel for fresh content. Then, choose color option. And, follow step by step. Please, subscribe my channel for fresh content. Now, click Done option, and select Effect option, and follow step by step. Now, click Detail option, and follow step by step. Then, select Auto option. And, tap onto the Share option, and click the Save to device. Here's the result.